Dan Willis here, and we're talking about credit building credit cards. And there's a couple types available, but let us first mention the most important key is your credit card must report your account monthly to all three of the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If not, your credit report, your credit score, none of them will benefit because they won't know that your credit card exists. The second big thing is your utilization ratio. That's calculated with your credit score, and it's one of the tech terms. The idea with this is you need to have available unused credit. So if you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000, you'd want to have, a monthly balance of about $300, and then you'd have $700 of available unused credit. The big key is available unused credit. That'll really help improve your credit score and give it a little bit of a boost. So here's the real three types available. The first is an unsecured credit card. This is a traditional credit card where you're extended a credit card with a credit limit based on the promise that you will make payments, and this will help your credit the most. However, the government got involved, and now it's much more challenging for many folks with less than perfect credit to get approved for these. Please do look into it. The lower your credit score, generally speaking, if you do get approved, the higher the interest rate you'll have to pay, of course, because it's more risk for the lender. The second type is secured credit cards, and this is what many folks have turned to. This is where you make a deposit with the bank, for example, $300, and then you'll be extended a credit card with a credit limit of $300. It works just like a traditional unsecured credit card. The secureness, your security, is that deposit with the bank. It's fully refundable provided that you keep your account in good standing, make monthly payments. A secured credit card will have slightly lower interest rates because it's not as much risk. Of course, they have that deposit to secure your account. Please check, make sure that it'll report to the monthly report your account to the credit bureaus, and then also make sure you use and do have available unused credit again. The third and final type, and this was a way that the banks went around the government, is partially secured credit cards. It'll require a smaller upfront deposit to secure your account, but it won't be the full. As we mentioned before, if you deposited $300, you get a credit card with $300. This one will require you to deposit like $100, and you'll get a credit card with a $300 credit limit. But, and this is big, these interest rates, last we were looking into it was like 36%. Like, there are big fees and very high interest rates for partially secured credit cards. Be wary of those. And the last two types that are available are prepaid debit cards and then catalog shopping and merchandise credit cards. And prepaid credit cards, debit cards, will not build your credit anymore. There was a day in the past, but the government passed new legislation, and catalog shopping credit cards aren't real credit cards. They'll often advertise $500 credit limit, guaranteed approval, but you can't use that card like a Visa or a MasterCard. It's not accepted at the gas station. It's not accepted at your grocery store. It's only accepted at one location. It used to be, before the internet, a catalog would come in the mail and then people would make purchases. Now they can get online. But be wary of those. So secured credit cards are the more popular ones. Unsecured is going to give you the most benefit. And of course, this is with responsible use. We need to have available credit to show as well. And this is going to build that positive credit to help your credit score, but it's a two-pronged approach. We also must remove the bad, damaging items, because that's what's ruining your credit score. Like, we have to do both. We have to build good and remove the bad. So if you'd like a free, no obligation credit consultation, you can call toll free 1-855-655 9869. Again, that's for a free, no obligation credit consultation, and the toll-free phone number is 1-855-655 9869. This is Dan Willis. Please subscribe and join our congregation. Please also visit the link in the description below to check out an article at our website for some more tips. We've also got a free report available, the 7 super simple steps to clean credit. Please have a fantastic day and looking forward 2. Talking to you again here soon.